Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to apply weather effect to your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL wallpaper. In the latest Android 16 version, Google added the new amazing wallpaper effect on the wallpaper. Like you can add rain, snow, sun in the wallpaper effect. All your local location wallpaper effect on your device. So let's see how to apply different weather effect to wallpaper in your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro and any other Pixel device running the Android 16 version. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down, tap on a wallpaper and style. Here you can see the lock screen and home screen wallpaper. So select any one. At the bottom you can see the wallpaper option. Also you can see more wallpapers. So tap on the wallpapers. Now you can find the live effects in the wallpaper studio section. So tap on the live effects. Now select any photo you want to apply the weather effect or live effect. So here we select this photo on my device. Now here you can see shape option, weather option and cinematic option. 3D cinematic photo. So first of all select the shape you want to apply to your photo. So we select this. Also change the background color of a photo like this on your device. So we select this. Also increase or decrease the background color of the photo on your device. After that, now tap on the weather. Here you can select the local option. So that depend on your country you live. It will automatically apply to your weather. Here you can see weather now is mostly cloudy. Currently we live. Now select the fog option and it will apply fog effect to wallpaper. Also you can increase like this or decrease the fog effect to the wallpaper you set. Now select the rain option. Here you can increase the rain like this on your home screen, lock screen you want. Snow option, so you can increase snow effect like this. Increase or decrease the snow effect on the home screen wallpaper or lock screen wallpaper on your device. Also apply the sun effect. It will glow your wallpaper from the direct sun effect on your device. So select the any weather. Also download a effect of a 3D motion effect. So we create a new video for this. So currently we select the weather and apply it. Now we select the rain effect on my phone. Now tap on the top right corner arrow. Here you can see how it looks on your home screen or lock screen. So tap on the next button at the top right corner. Here select lock screen or home screen. So we select the home screen only. Now tap on apply button. Now wallpaper set successfully. Now go to home screen and you can see apply the weather effect to your Pixel 10 home screen and lock screen. So it's quite easy to add weather effect or change the weather effect on a wallpaper on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it. Also mention which is your favorite weather effect from the this new feature in Google Pixel device. Please tell us in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Please wipe it.